are pleased to show you the 2018 Lincoln Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish, full-size package. Packed with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, compass, heated front seats, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.